how you can download a voice message from your WhatsApp chat to your phone. Let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp and go to the chat that you want to save the audio from. After this, you're going to long press on the audio and click on share right here at the top. Once you click on share, you have to share this to your file manager. You have to copy it to the file manager. You click on file manager. You can either create a new folder here or uh, paste it on existing folders. I've just pasted it on my existing folder here. Now I'm going to click on it, and if I click on play here, this is how it's going to download the audio from your WhatsApp chat. Another method that you can do is go back to your WhatsApp and then open your settings from the top right here. Once you open your settings, you go on storage and data. You open this and media auto download. You're going to select audio as well on all of these options. What this does is once you're connected to any kind of network, it will automatically download the audio message to your phone. And that's how you can download your audio message from your WhatsApp chat to your phone. Thank you for watching.